Hello friends, I'm here with a video for how our next week will be. So let's get started and see how we'll have what energies are there for our next week. What is stored for us? This is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate to everybody, but you can definitely get some overview or ideas for yourself. And obviously, if you are here for and watching this video, there must be some message for you. For sure, I'm damn sure there will be some message for you, because there are um, more than lakhs or more people are there who are doing these videos. But if you are here on this video and viewing this on my channel, then there must be something stored for you in this video. So watch it till end, and you never know what message you will get. Set your intentions before watching to your questions, and then just try and get an answer for your question. And you may definitely get an answer out of it. So now let's start. This will be a very short and quick video. So what is stored for us? I have already taken out the cards which is laid down in our front. So first of all, the I will start with that this week the opportunity will be knocking at our doors, and you just have to go for it, and you don't have to resist now. And as this Mercury retrograde is over, and now we are in a space when there is no planet will be retrograding for more than 5 or 6 months now. So it is a time where you need to work on whatever opportunities you get, and whatever dreams you have thought of, and whatever ideas you were having in your mind since so much time. When Mercury was retrograding, then everybody was in a very dual mind and very much a complicated situation. So this is a time when the opportunity will knock your door, and you need not to think about it and go for it. And also there will be there will be you are getting stronger intuitions. And this is sixth chakra archangel Metatron, where this is for our brows chakra, where you are surrounded with do a meditation with an indigo light, and just pay attention to your intuitions. There you are getting strong intuitions about something which is coming to you. So you just need to pay attention on that. Don't hold on to any money or anything. If you have some certain financial loans, or you have taken some money from somebody or something, then just return that money. That is obviously not yours. So just don't hold on to that money. What I'm getting from this, just and if you are thinking of doing something new opportunity, if opportunity is knocking, then just don't for second, some few of you don't hold on to your savings or money. Just put it in this opportunity. And just if it is a business, or if it's for if you want to, if you are wanting from long to take some certain courses for your betterment, or and you are not able to do it for due to some responsibility, then just go for it, and just don't hold on to that coin or money. Also, this is the time where this week you will be living your life to the fullest. They are saying you just need to live life to the fullest, and you need to focus on what things are giving you happiness. Like if you want to be with nature, or if you want to go out, or if you want to with precautions obviously, if you want to do something where you need to have your own space, and you just need to go out, then you just plan accordingly with precautions and safety, of course. So the week will start with positive notes for you, and there is lot many messages which is coming, and a messenger for creativity and hope. So the new opportunity will be knocking, go for it. And messenger for creativity and hope, as I said, if you're wanting to do some online courses or something which is helpful for you, for your betterment, your inside knowledge and everything, then go for it. This is a time where you can study and you can be on higher in on a way, on a road or way of your enlightenment, and you will be on a higher side of things to learn. And this may be the good time for you to learn. And also just if you have not visited your parents since long, then just go and visit your parents. Or some of you who are missing your parents, who are not with you right now, and in this all tough period you have lost, some of you have lost, or they're your dear ones, then always remember they are there with you, and they will be blessing you from heaven. Always cherish the time when they were here with you, and you all were happy that times. And also that part of your self needs healing. The angels are helping you to heal from any pain associated with your mother and father. So you don't have to be in that pain. Just ask for your guardian angels or God to just heal, or your higher self to just focus on your higher self to just heal whatever trauma you had been to. Also, there is this law of attraction working on for for us, like relationships and activities that you once enjoyed are now changing, and you, as you become more sensitive and aware of energies. So when you are in your higher self, and you know you are self in you are self loved, and you know your value, and you're not sabotaging yourself, then you are in a vibration where you are a little higher from yourself. And that vibration is really beautiful vibration, where you attract right kind of persons in your life, and where you will be really getting over with certain toxic relationship or toxic people, and you are just calling your energies, you need to call your energies back, and you just need to get your power back, and you can do it daily, during your daily meditation. And daily you need to just ask for your power back, and just be as you are becoming more sensitive and aware of what energies you are comfortable or you are good with. So just choose that energies accordingly, and let go of the energies which are not serving you and giving you pain. Also, Archangel Raphael is here. The healing angel is with you, supporting your healing work. So these all angels are here just for you to heal you up from past traumas of anything which has gone wrong in your life. So you just need to be very calm, and you just need to focus on the new opportunities which is coming in. There is some problem with this focus now. So you just need to live life to the fullest, and mm, just just go with the flow, what life is bringing to you. I want you all to be very calm inside yourself and just think of whatever best version you can be in, and whatever good you can do for yourself. uh, so this was it. I don't know why the camera is not focusing. So I'm trying to focus it, but it is not focusing properly. So this was this week's energy. I hope you will get some answers from it, and you will definitely be following your intuitions very well. And I hope that this week your guides and angel help you or guide you. Guide you, and you just follow them very tight, like grabbing them very tightly, um, and address your inner child. Just address her. Don't let go your of your inner child alone. Just address her. um, what I am seeing. Don't hold on to things of your past, and just release them with ease and heal yourself. Heal yourself a lot, and always think. Also, you remember that your own hands are there to can heal you too. So in Reiki and in many techniques, we use our hands, and in our ancient in mythology also, our god and goddesses have pictures like this, holding doing having these hands. So this shows hands like this shows that uh, we all have powers in our self hands, and we can send and receive, we can give and this healing energy to anyone. You just need some practice, and there are some easy methods to do that. So help everyone whom you are meeting in this lifetime, and just make good memories, friends, not the enemies. And whatever you give comes back to you. Always remember that. So this was it. Thank you so much for visiting to my channel, and just like and share this video. Thank you so much. Om Namah Shivaya.